कोई, कैसे तुझसे दिल ना लगाए कोई। रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं। केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं।
मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। नमः पार्वती पते हर हर महादेव हर।
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया देना बहुत स्वीट है।
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़िया देना बहुत स्वीट है।
ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट
पर फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है। शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है।
नचते ने सारे रंग मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे। नचते ने सारे रंग मिल के आज हिले डुल के ले सारे के सारे नजारे। खसबानों का नाम खसबानों का नाम।
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर। चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के देखो ना।
चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चौकन्ना चीखे चोर। चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर।
ये भूता भूमि संस्थिता ये भूता विघ्नकर्तारः तेन स्यन्तु तदाज्ञया अत्रामन्तु भूतानि पिशाचा सर्वतो दिशं सर्वेषां विरोधेन पूजा कर्म समारभे।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है
Just for the
कितना
picture.
मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा
Wish
के
you
दिखाना।
the best. खड़के खड़के खड़क सिंह का खड़के चंगा चमके चम चमची खींचो गन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर
चंदा चमके चम चमची खेचो गन्ना चोर चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर।
You gotta look closer, right?
Mayor, you have to look harder.
You cheated.
I did not. It's there, I promise.
Is it this?
No,
At least tell me which hand. That's a hand.
it's left hand. You're
Okay,
right.
alright.
Just open your eyes.
Can I give up?
No. Mayor, you know if you don't find it, that means you don't love me, right? That's what that means.
I don't think that's how it works. I have no idea where it is. Is it somewhere here? Oh, I see it. M-A-Y-U-R.
goodness.
He was cheating.
How is that cheating?
खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो
फिर से कहो कहते रहो अच्छा लगता है
जीवन का हर सपना अब
अरे
सच्चा लगता है
ओ क्या
Your parents do this too.
No. I was just joking, but okay.
I'm not singing it.
Sing for me. Sing for me.
I'm not singing.
something something
No, I'm not singing.
Where? I'm jeans, guys.
You sing something. I'm not
Yeah.
singing.
What?
In a
No, he's
wedding
not. I'm
आपने?
not marrying him.
Sorry,
I'm marrying
wedding
you.
वाह वाह राम जी
I'm not singing.
Waha Ram ji. Sing.
I'm not singing anything. I don't know. Even if you tell me 100 times, I'm not gonna do it.
yeah this is what we wanted to know
खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो क्या खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो
फिर से कहो कहते रहो अच्छा लगता है जीवन का हर सपना अब सच्चा लगता है
क्या खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो क्या खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो
पादाभिवंदनार्थं च गद्दाक्षत
अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का जुबां पे स्वाद रखना दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना चिट्ठी तारों में भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना अंधेरा तेरा मैंने ले लिया मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ चन्ना मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया
समर्पयामि બે હાથ જોડી ભગવાનને નમસ્કાર કરી આપવાના પ્રાર્થનાપૂર્વક નમસ્કાર
Oh, you didn't like the spicy? Oh, I love
I took it down.
सिंगल गवारा है दिल मेरा कोई ले जाए इसे क्यों उड़ा के आशिका वाला है मन चला रखा था जो निगाहों से बचा के दिल सीधा साधा है मुश्किल इरादा है इरादा है It's so cold.
I wouldn't do it.
It's been 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even new. We spend the late nights making things right between us. Ooh. But now it's all good, baby. Roll that backwood, baby, and play me close. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me, son. Now when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, yeah, me too. Now when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
You guys are gonna put this in the video. This is gonna look so ghetto. She's not just a regular girl. You tell me. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like on a scroll paper. He's telling me he would take my money if he left. Because he has tons of student loans. He said, I hope you cry when you read this. And he said, lastly, I did not use ChatGPT for this. It was 100% original work. Wow, this is so special.
सजना मिले सजना मिलन वादाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी वेड़ा सजया
god.
The color.
It looks great.
I like it.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Turned out good?
Yeah.
I don't know why you were worried. But turn on.
सजना मेरे आओ
Do you see the Aston in the sun?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
I read your letter.
Oh, you did? Did you
Yeah.
cry? That's a lie.
No, I
I've
did.
seen the video.
I didn't cry.
You read all 4 pages?
It took me a while, you know.
दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियों नी वेड़ा सजया हाँ मेरा सजना मेरे आ सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लेके आना नी मेरा सजना टोलना वे रंजन माही टोलना वे हीर जोगनी टोलना वे टोलना तू मेरा नसीबा टोलना वे टोलना मैं जुगनी तेरी टोलना जावा ना मैं बिन शहनाइया सतरंगी रूबाइया सुना जा तू जाइया शामिया ना सजावा डोली लेके मैं आतिशबाजी
Wow, Madika. Madika, wow. JJK.
कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल ओ किथे चली जांदी है ओ किथे चली जांदी है तेनू पुछना है इको ही सवाल ओ दस दे को वारियां है किस दे तू नाल क्यों दूरों दूरों जानी है जान कट जानी है एने भी नखरे तू करना सोनी है एने भी नखरे तू करना सोनी है दिल मेरा तेरे लिए धड़के नी अज फिर किथे आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक कर दे वेट तेरी खटके नी आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के आज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बन के
वचने हिंदीको बृहस्पति ददातु भद्रं कर्णेभिः
तेरा इश्क मेरा फितूर, तू जो भी कहे बन जाऊं मैं। छाया है यूं तेरा सुरूर, जिस रंग कहे रंग जाऊं मैं। तेरे नशे में हूँ मैं चूर, जिस जोग कहे रम जाऊं मैं। तेरा इश्क मेरा फितूर, तू जो भी कहे बन जाऊं मैं।
लगदा महका 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 गुलशन हा खिलिया। सुन माही सुन वे रांझा, आजा हुन तरते आजा, तेरे में घर है जाना, आजा आजा। तेरे लिए सब मैं छटिया, संग तेरे मैं ता जाना। सुन माही सुन वे रांझा, आजा आजा।
माङ्गल्यतन्तुनानेन मम जीवन हेतुना कंठे बध्नामि सुभग त्वं जीव शरदां सतं, त्वं जीव शरदां सतम्। मंडपदास्त कुलशील सौभाग्य सामुद्रिक लक्षण लावण्यां सावयवारोग्यं कांचन कुंडल नुपुर कटिसूत्र भुजचड़ केयूरांगद कृपुराकृतां गंधयक्ष कृत मद्रादि सहितां मुकुटमालादि विविध काल कृत संगारां छत्रोपानः वाससंज्ञा कुमंडल काशपात्रं सुवर्ण रूप्य देवाभिवंदनार्थं गुरुपादाभिवंदनार्थं च गन्धाक्षतपुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। चित्ताय स्वाहा इदं चित्ताय इदं नमः ॐ चित्ये स्वाहा इदं चित्ये इदं नमः ॐ वैवस्वताय स्वाहा इदं वैवस्वताय इदं नमः ॐ अग्ने स्वाहा इदं अग्ने इदं नमः ॐ सूर्याय स्वाहा इदं सूर्याय इदं नमः ॐ चन्द्रमसे स्वाहा मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजा मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
साक्षी तेरा पराय वंदे पक्षी
मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजा मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते नारायणि नमोस्तुते मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजा मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुड़ध्वजा मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय तनोहरि त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते એવું કહેવાય છે કે આ પગ પકડ્યો છે ભાઈએ જ્યાં સુધીના પગ છોડે ના ત્યાં સુધી ચોથો ફેરો થાય નહીં અને ત્યાં સુધી લગ્ન પૂરા થયા કહેવાય નહીં એટલે આજે ભાઈ એવું કહે છે કે મારે ક્રેડિટ કાર્ડ જોઈએ તો જ જવાનું One, 2, 245, 3.
साक्षी तेरा पराय रे सोने रहिए आजे हरख नवाय रे वंदे पक्षी आनंद अति उभराय रे शुभ दिन आजे शुभन नो कहवाय
To my dearest wife, these last few months have been some of the most joyous times. And can't we continue these moments of joy and laughter for years to come? I promise to be there to give you wasati, even though I know I'm every day of one guy. I promise to cook all of our meals, but still make a fuss about it in this thing. I promise to greet you with hug when I come home from work and say good night before those things. And this vice versa we argue. When it's clearly or all. I promise to be more entertaining and frantic one than the one you deal with. Thank you for carrying the weight for this wedding, taking care of the small and big things in our life, always being kind, supportive, easing my fears and listening to my rants, and most importantly, always be present. Whether we're close or far from each other, I know these qualities and promises will keep us together and help us fight through any obstacle and hardship. I vow to stand by you at every twist and turn, face life's trials hand to hand, and nurture a love that grows into a timeless landscape of joy and shared aspirations.
Mayor, I couldn't ask a more perfect partner. You balance me out in every regard of life. You are the calm to my storm. You are the discipline to my chaos. I promise to be there for you in every step we take. I promise to be optimistic during our darkest moments. I promise to push you outside your comfort zone for a lifetime full of adventures. I promise to greet you with the same level of excitement every day for the rest of our lives. I promise to continue to take care of you even when I'm old and senile. I promise to take full responsibility when we fight after a grace period of 12 to 24 hours. And lastly, I promise to make you one dinner in this lifetime that isn't frozen.
तनी साचवी सीता सती अखंड सौभाग्यवती तनी साचवी सीता सती अखंड सौभाग्यवती
श्री स्वामीनारायण भगवान की जय। गुरुवाणी महंत स्वामी महाराज की जय।
मेरा ढोला वे आया ढोला, मेरा ढोला वे आया ढोला, मेरा ढोला वे आया ढोला, मेरा ढोला वे आया ढोला। ओ रब्बा मन ले दुआवा जिंदड़ी नाल गुजारा, ओ रब्बा मन ले दुआवा जिंदड़ी नाल गुजारा। हत्थां दिए मेहंदी खुशियां नाल सजावा, हत्थां दिए मेहंदी खुशियां नाल सजावा। सुन बाही सुन वे राजा, आजा हुण दर ते आजा, आजा हुण दर ते आजा, आजा 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 आजा।
This guy needs a check. He needs a check.
You got crypto, Zelle, or credit card?
You need my Zelle number? Bro, the cops are gonna come to you. This is not enough.
We take a Bitcoin.
All right, we're gonna begin. Ladies and gentlemen, please focus your attention towards the entrance area here. First, we're gonna welcome the groom's parents, Dr. Sanjay Patel and Mrs. Mona Patel. Next we have coming in, please make some noise for the bride's parents, Mr. Kishore Patel and Mrs. Geeta Patel. Please make some noise for the groom's brother, Vandan Patel. Make some noise for the bride's sister, brother-in-law, nephew, and niece, Janki, Chirag, Krish, and Sia Patel! Please make some noise for the close friends of the bride and groom.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please rise and help me in welcoming for the first time as husband and wife. Please welcome Mayur and Purna Patel.
देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला लड़की नहीं है तू एक गरम मामला बोलती बंद मेरी कहूँ क्या मला कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए चित दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन अग लगाने आई है बंधन घोड़ी चल गई धाए नगर विलती ईगो में रहती नगर विलती ईगो में रहती मशीन जाती फुल लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई
Let's go, everyone. Make some noise for the beautiful couple.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Mayur and Purna's reception. Finally, I've been waiting for this for so long. Over the years, I've lived with Mayur for about 20 odd years now, and change doesn't really come around that often. He's very stagnant from the day he was born to about college. He was the same exact person, and I think all of my cousins can attest to that he was the same exact person. Doesn't change much. If you add even one thing to his itinerary that isn't there from the beginning, he'll get very mad. But I don't know, about 3 years ago, something changed, something happened, and he just adapts to change really quickly now. Not quite sure what happened 3 years ago, not sure what happened in that timeline. I don't know who was there, who got involved. Maybe that's why we're here today, but I'm glad that change came. So I think tonight we wanted to just go through some stories and really recap Mayur and Purna's life from a kid to now. And we wanted to highlight everyone who's here, brothers, sisters, parents, cousins, friends, everyone who's really played a pivotal role in making them the people they are today.
रूप तेरा सोना सोनी तेरी पायल रूप तेरा सोना सोना सोनी तेरी पायल छना छन ऐसे छन के कर दे सबको घायल कह रहा आंखों का काजल इश्क में जीना मरना Say shawa shawa, Mahia say shawa shawa, Mahia say shawa shawa, Mahia say shawa shawa. Yeah.
So he explained that I want to get Swami Shri's Ashirwad to get a residency in neurosurgery. But in Lost in Translation, they had a different idea. And some of the other santas came by to him and they were like, they had a very sad and gambhir type of facial features. They were very really upset and sad and really shocked. And they're like, oh, so when is your surgery? And they're like, he's like, what? He's like, oh, tamari surgery chana? Neurosurgery, tamara magajma? He's like, oh, no. I want to be a resident in neurosurgery. I'm not getting neurosurgery. And so, it was a loss in translation. As you could tell, it is obviously a very sensitive topic for him, but for us, it's all the same thing. Everybody stand up. Purna and Mayur's middle names. Sanjay Bhai, very good. We're at a wedding for Mayur and Vandan, but oh my God, half the room sat down. Birth month, I didn't even say birthday, I said month. I was not anticipating that. I was hoping there was gonna be a few more people. Okay, July, very good. Okay, the town that Purna and Mayur live in. Do you know? Columbus, Ohio. Excellent, very good. Bride and groom's specialties.
You got this.
Physical medicine and rehab.
Neurology, very good.
Or if it's the streets of Mumbai, late at night, 3 a.m., me, Mayur, Nachiketa, again, now grown-ups on triple seats, without helmets, without a license, just waiting for the cops to pull us over. Those are the memories, and that's the village that we have, Mayur. And I just wanted to tell you, as you are appreciating and looking out into the crowd today, just think back to those memories that we had as kids, and even today, and just think about everyone who's here to support you.
Was probably in middle school, we used to tease her a lot. It started off with my fua, and because I don't remember what she was doing, but they used to tease her about her having a boyfriend named Gansham when he never existed. And she would just get so, not even shy, she would just get so embarrassed. And I think it kind of just became a thing, and then when she finally met Mayur, it was the whole family was like, oh, Purna finally found her Gansham. But yeah, that's the embarrassing story I have.
So let me tell you about this Ghanshyam character.
क्या बोलती तू
क्या मैं बोलूं
सुन
सुना
आती क्या खंडाला
क्या करूं
So then Purna was coming to St. Louis to visit him for the first time. And a couple nights before that, Neil here and Mayur had a practice round. How do I hug Purna? Do I hug her? Do I give her a handshake? Let it be known, first time he met her at the airport, it was a handshake. After that, it was, oh, we have to go to Forest Park in St. Louis. How do I walk with a girl? Do I hold her hand? Is it like crossed? Do I just like walk 6 feet apart? COVID terms. All had to be explained and demonstrated by Neil. And then, even when it came to the proposal, the whole night before the proposal, Neil and Mayur, all right, Mayur, count to 3. 1, 2, 3, kneel down. Right knee down first, left knee up. And look at Purna the whole time. Don't read your speech from a phone. All of these things had to be taught.
धमाल देखो अरे दिल को तुम संभाल देखो अरे चाल देखो ढाल देखो रगों में उबाल देखो 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 दो नैन सितारे है चांद सा मुखड़ा क्या कहना उसका आफरीन दावत में जैसे हो शाही टुकड़ा उसके जैसी न कोई नाज़नीन शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बंधन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठी है दुल्हन के वही तो मेरी स्वीट हार्ट है बात करते हैं हजारों है तजुर्बा हमें यारों बात करते हैं हजारों है तजुर्बा हमें यारों ऐसी है बांध लूं मुझ पे वो झूमे जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए दे दे जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे मर मिट जाए जो पठान मेरी जान महफिल ही लुट जाए जो जुबान मेरी जान उस पे मर मिट जाए
So I think we've covered almost everyone, but I think we're forgetting 4 very important people, and that's mom and dad from both sides. Mom and dad have literally given their everything, sacrificed their all. You know, for us, when we moved here when we were kids, they spent, 40 years of their life in India, built a whole life, their home, their friends, their careers, left everything for us. And I think it's really important that today, when you're getting married and you've seen all of the 26 years of your life before you and everything that mom and dad have done for us, I think it's really important that we thank them as well.
Slow it down.
तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी
As the parents of the groom, we are so happy for the bride and the groom and grateful for the love. Firstly, I want to thank all of the family members and friends who have traveled from far away to here with us today. We could not have had this joy today without all of you.
We are also thankful to Kishore Bhai and Geeta Ben for raising such an amazing daughter. We are truly lucky to call her our daughter. To Mayur and Purna, remember that marriage is made with love, trust and mutual respect. In closing, we would like to thank Bhagwan Swami Narayan and Guru Pramukh Swami Maharaj and Mahan Swami Maharaj for bringing you two together. May your journey together be filled with love and happiness. Thank you, everyone.
Jai Swaminarayan to everybody. Thank you for coming and joining with us for this precious moment with Purna and Mayur.
Thank you, Jai Swaminarayan.
सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई सज सजी लो शुगड़ी छे अभी आजा आजा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी हरे चिपक के सल्लो टेप जैसा लगा हुआ है चेप जैसा ना किसी काम का ने ठल्ले की तरह बस ढूंढ रहा है मौका खुल के मारेगा चौका बाई चांस किसी लड़की का जहां झुमका गिरा रे
झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा झुमका गिरा
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other, picking orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. This call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden
Let's go, everyone, make some noise for Mr. and Mrs. Patel.
उसकी आंखों में बातें बातों में जादू उसकी आंखों में बातें बातों में जादू जादू में खो गए हम हो गए बेकाबू I looked at you, you looked at me और हो गई मुश्किल And you became my destiny तू ही मेरी मंजिल दस बहाने करके ले गए दिल 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 दस बहाने करके ले गए दिल
So thank you to everyone who participated. Thank you for everyone who choreographed everything. Thank you to our parents. Thank you to all the vendors that made this possible, and especially the photographers and videographers making us look good.
And especially thank you to our siblings and our family for all chipping in to do all the work that you see here today. It took hours and hours and a lot of nights from helps from our fuas, mamas, mommies, and everyone, and especially Vandan. I think he was more involved than me at some points. So I just want to say thank you for everyone and for coming out and helping us celebrate this big day.
But it's my kind of love. I show you love, show you love, show you love. I show you love, show you love, show you love. I show you love, show you love, show you love. My kind of love. I show you love, show you love, show you love. I show you love, show you love, show you love. I show you love, show you love, show you love. My kind of love.
It's a cut.
મને આવો તો ગમે.
ફરીથી તમારી માટે પરફોર્મ કરી છે.
વેરી ગુડ.